What the hell, my OBS hotkeys are just switched around all of a sudden. Did my SSD get corrupted or something? Oh my god. Huh. I'm an idiot, I pressed numlock. Good morning. Today, we're going to be playing Super Hot. This is one of the games I got on Epic Games Store. Pretty excited for it. It's a pretty well-known game. Oh man, we got the full selection of birds this morning too. We got the cardinal right here, the red one. We had the blue jay before. It's obviously the blue one. Good stuff. And again, the army of sparrows, the tiny ones, and the doves. Anyways, let's just get into Super Hot. Pretty excited for this. Oh god, I think it just opened on my other monitor. Oh my god, if it opens on my left monitor, I'm gonna be upset. Oh, never mind. Just the launch window. So that bird screeching right now, that's the blue jay. It's a noisy bastard. I don't know if it's screen 1 or I think it's screen 2. No, that was the wrong window. That was the wrong window. Hold on, we've got technical difficulties. Let me just look at Windows display settings. I'm fairly, okay. So my second monitor is the big monitor here. The first monitor is my left one. So it actually opened on the wrong monitor. It didn't open on the monitor I selected. Oh god. And now it's cloud syncing and won't launch. Oh man. Well, I think this is actually Epic Games Store. Also, Steam. So look at this. So Steam is I don't know, there's this bug I keep having where Steam doesn't close, it keeps running in the background, and it's not like disabled. Like I know Windows 10 does this thing where apps are disabled and they stay loaded into RAM. But like, it's weird to me, Steam just keeps running in the background after I close it, and I have to like cancel the process. And if I think it's an actual bug, because if I try to launch Steam again, I think this is an actual bug too, because I can't launch Superhot again. I'm just gonna close the Epic Games launcher. Try and restart. Anyways, Superhot is just I've looked at it, a lot of videos of Superhot VR, and like, seems just like a generic first-person shooter, but the thing that makes it non-generic is just this very simple thing that time only moves when your character moves. So that has a pretty crazy effect. Alright, hopefully this works this time on the right monitor. No, it opened on the wrong monitor again. Are you kidding me? The game actually can't detect monitors correctly. This is an actual bug. This is an actual bug. So it's opening on the wrong monitor every single time. And then the cloud syncing never finishes either, so I have to restart Epic Games Launcher. Oh my god. It's too early for this. It's too early. Yeah, this is a bug. Epic Games Launcher never finishes cloud syncing and you can't access the game till afterwards. I should actually just disable cloud syncing. Alright, I swear to God, if this doesn't launch on the right monitor... Oh, thank God it launched on the right monitor. So it has my monitors switched. It says monitor 1 is monitor 2, and it says monitor 2 is monitor 1. That's... operating system of the computer. Hold on. I'm just gonna put it into the proper game capture. Okay. Coming message, press enter to play. Playing Superhot yet? I've never seen anything like it. What are you talking about? Superhot.exe. It's a crack. Logs you into this company's site so you can play this game. Sick shooter. Can I just leave? Just okay, sending now. So what's this? It's Superhot. It's a first-person shooter game. Is there an actual README? Team Superhot proudly presents full version of Superhot. Replays. Alright, this is an interesting concept for a menu. This is the menu for the game. And it's made to look like an old, like, computer operating system, like DOS or something. Oh, the good old internet noises. Move with WASD, aim with the mouse. Okay, hold on. Let's wait. There has to be settings. Apps? Wait. Wait, there's other things here? Hold on. Okay, let's change the settings first, and then I want to explore this menu. This is really cool. I want to increase the mouse sensitivity. Apply and save changes. This is a really hard menu to see, though. It's kind of hard to understand. Graphics settings. Gamma may appear too white. Clearly see the details in this environment. They don't let you change gamma very much. I guess 1 is good. Preset best, 60 FPS. Active, okay. Alright, just doing everything on. I don't think the graphics are that intense. Gameplay options, lock physics. Improves gameplay smoothness but can introduce unexpected physics behavior. It says selected cases but doesn't tell you what that selection is. Okay, let's see what these let's look at videos first.
Super hot.
Press Alt in the keyboard? Oh, I was gonna press it on your forehead. Jesus Christ, my ears! Oh god, my ears! Oh my god. My ears. Alright, I'm pressing Alt F4, hold on 1 second. 1 second, alright, I pressed Alt F4, there we go. Oh my god, this is very loud. Hey, Numa Career.
Super hot.
Oh, it just replays it? That's crazy. Is this shader on stream? This is super hot. We're just watching, so the game's got this cool computer interface, or like the menu of the game here is like an old DOS interface, and it's got these extra things here like videos and art. And I'm just like looking through these.
These people are completely fine. They are just enjoying a new exciting video game. Video games have been scientifically proven to improve problem solving and motor skills, spatial awareness, social skills, and stress control.
It's VR.
Although it takes just 10 seconds to play. This game brings endless competitive entertainment to you, your family, and your friends. And the best part is, this game is available now for everyone to enjoy. All you need is a telephone and some cardboard.
Where do I get
Remember,
it?
play responsibly and don't mix with drugs.
I appreciate the devs for doing this stuff. Dog.art. Oh, that's sad. It's just a thing in a cage with a bunch of people looking at it. Oof. I don't know what that is. Alley.art. Hacker. I wonder if these are like images from the game or something. Like areas in the game. It almost looks like it. These aren't nearly as good as the videos. They don't even have color. Your art here. Send your art to ASCII at... Oh, I wonder if it's user created art because you send your art. Other. Secret, private, really? What are you looking for in here? hypno.diy.exe. Left click for mind control.
Super hot. 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 Super hot.
Okay, I guess that's mind control. Literally, I guess get you addicted to the game. VR.exe. Oh my god. It's like Doom. It's like a really bad 3D scene. Actually, it's way worse than Doom. Alright, that's an actual cube. Nice. Make a VR game and sell. So one of the things that I really like. So were you there for my WebGL game engine stream yesterday? One of the things that really makes me JavaScript has so many issues and stuff. And WebGL 2 obviously is like crippled compared to normal OpenGL, but like being able to do WebVR and just like take a WebGL app and just have VR support in it, and it's just provided for all of the headsets by the browsers, by Firefox, so you don't have to worry about any of that Oculus Store shit or any of that stuff. It's beautiful, man. It's honestly beautiful. Like if you know how hard it is to get your game accepted on like the Oculus Store or like something like that, and then you just get it in the browsers that are already in the Oculus Store. It's awesome. That's why it was Godot. Yeah, you still need to get your game accepted to the store then. Tree dude. Chop left, chop right. I get it. I just killed myself. Godot has VR support built in. Yeah, I'm not saying having VR support like built in. I'm saying not having to not having to go through the Oculus store or like handle Steam VR. Like with Godot, you still need to choose whether or not you're using Oculus or Steam VR API, right? Like it obviously lets you pick what VR API you're using, right? Because it builds an EXE. Like, that's the whole thing with JavaScript being emulated, though. It literally doesn't need to be tied to a specific API when you build the game, and then doesn't even need to go in a specific store. Like, it's pretty beneficial, I think. Even if it makes your game a lot slower. This is actually such a good little game. Oh my god, the audio is getting so loud. It's so loud, oh my god. I think this is like procedural audio or something. I swear to god, that's like procedural audio that it's like generating through code and their code is bugged. Because I don't know why they would purposely have it get so goddamn loud like this, but whatever. Oh my god, it's when you like switch back and forth, and then I do an extra switch back. Oh yeah, like right there. I just I just did it myself while staring at it. Oh, yeah. I think you're missing lots of stuff about VR and browsers. You know about this year switching whole VR architecture and browsers that make all Lord VR browser apps not supported anymore. WebVR is still supported. It's just, yeah, WebXR now gives you like more abilities, but the APIs are so similar, and like you can very easily just create something that has WebVR and WebXR, and it's not disabled in all browsers. There's a bunch of the older VR headsets, like the mobile ones, like Daydream and Gear VR, and they are still going to be stuck on WebVR because their app stores have older versions of Firefox and stuff that aren't getting updated. So it's almost like if you want to support outdated VR headsets, WebVR is still kind of the way to go. And as far as I'm aware, WebXR doesn't even work properly yet. I think you are still supposed to use WebVR. At least from what I saw. If WebXR is usable now, that's fucking awesome. I thought the WebXR thing was kind of stupid because they were like, okay, we're gonna package VR and AR together because like a lot of the stuff is related about spatial positioning and things. And they were like, alright, we'll bundle our existing WebVR API into like this WebXR. And then they already had basically a bunch of the VR stuff ready to go. And WebXR just took so goddamn long because they were just waiting to create. Like, they basically just took this long-ass time to try and create this AR API that, in my opinion, doesn't even have that much AR stuff. So it's like they did this whole thing to add AR stuff, and then they were like, oh, well, we couldn't really think of that many AR features. Or what I think is that AR stuff is still really hard to do, and you can't really do accurate like, spatial positioning just from, like, mobile cameras and stuff. I think like people really overestimated how much like Pokemon Go and stuff was doing. Like I feel like people saw Pokemon Go a few years ago and they were like, holy shit, AR is here. We have spatial tracking. We can just track 3D space through phones, and it's just easily done now. Which is not true. Alright. This game's fun, but... Oh god, it's not stopping. Oh god, it's bugged. It's 100% bugged. Oh god, quit the game, quit the game! Oh. That's a bug. Alright. SHRL. New SMS. Fake chat. You have to check out this game. I want new game. You want is called SHRL. Realist to the max. 20,000%. Is this legal crack? This is crack. No legal? I don't know. You try. Is very fun. Okay, I want try. What do? I send files now. Awesome. Download complete. Oh, rectagon.exe, infinite. Oh, it's literally an infinite loop. Choo-choo.exe, which one should I do first? I want to do choo-choo. Tetraval, Shine, rectagon. About Godot, Apple has its own VR library that must be used and developed for VR or Apple devices. Godot do its own API on top of that. Depends on export. It uses needed API. I do not know about Oculus, Steam VR, and Godot, but Godot supported all VR headsets and inputs. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying though. Is like it obviously supports, or I'm sure it supports all the different headset APIs, similar to Unity and Unreal Engine, where it's like Steam VR, Oculus, or the Pimax API, but like, or the Google Daydream, or the Gear VR, or the Quest. But like that's the thing, when you like for PC and stuff, there's like 4+ different VR libraries. There's like Oculus, Steam VR, Windows MR, and you choose that when you export it. So basically what that means is though you need 4, even for Windows, you then need 4 separate builds just for the different VR platforms. You do not choose, it has all in. That's weird. So it just has a whole bunch of libraries that people don't use in it. So like it basically inflates your builds with stuff that isn't used. I mean, I guess that's fine, but... Official manual required. Oh my god. Okay, I can't be bothered to do that. Wires. Oh, Wire World. This is cool. This is like gate and... That's interesting. I'll see you later, Andrea. Go.exe size 8 megabytes with all libraries in it. Go.wasm build 4 megabytes. Okay, well, I don't think the VR libs, as far as I'm aware, are way bigger than that. Like just the Steam VR DLL is like 4 megabytes. So I don't know. I don't think that's the size with the VR APIs. Wait, what is this one? Gate and... Oh, it's just showing the different examples of one on each side. Big and... Exor. Interesting. So this almost has like the this Wire World game would have been really cool if playing it back on DOS. Actually solving puzzles with this stuff. You can check go.vr tutorial if you want it. Work out of the box. Yeah, I'm like sure it works out of the box. Conway's Game of Life. Is it randomly generated each time? Yeah, it is. Nice. Oh yeah, Ant. I think this is the Anthill simulation. Forest. Sand. Water. Alright, let's start the actual... alright, there's still demos. Sinus? Yeah, these are basically shaders at this point. Alright, apps though. Are these actual apps? Carpet generator. Listening to hacking. Alright, yeah, no. Alright, actual game time, let's go. Is the sensitivity good now? Oh, what did I just do? I just threw the gun. How do I pick that up? What did I just do? Don't, not yet, not yet. This doesn't matter. Nothing, no, not yet. What? Left click to shoot. Oh, yeah.
Super hot, super hot, super hot, super hot, super. Super hot, super hot.
I saw Super Hot only as VR game. Devs dislike VR or something. Yeah, so this is the thing. I found this game in VR to like... This is the only game that ever made me smash into walls. Like... This game just basically makes you want to run forward or move side to side. And it's brutal. Like, so, I don't know. I felt like I couldn't, like, coming from FPS games on PC, I just felt crippled in VR. Also, coming from playing, like, Airsoft and Paintball in real life, like, VR did not, like, VR FPS combat is not, in my opinion, that satisfying. Throw your gun. Oh. Okay, apparently throwing your gun at them doesn't kill them. I feel like this is a really good game for speed running too. Oof. Yes, I have to grab the gun there, I think. Oh, is it different each time? Where did the gun go? R to restart instantly. That's a nice feature. Oof. So you just get shot right away. Oh man, that's a really hard level. Oh man. Wow. Can I actually get in cover? Ooh. Oh man. Many Matrix flashbacks. Yeah, this is basically Matrix the game, and I feel like the way it has like stuff flying into the air is just like that scene from the Matrix where it's like they're shooting up the walls and there's like all these debris flying through the air. Oh man, that was good. I dodged a few bullets, but I feel like the difficulty just ramped up so much. Damn, I swear to God, that guy's bullet just curved towards me. I'm wondering how, I think I have to take this guy's gun. Come on, give me the gun. No! No! What was that? It just... What? It just blew up the gun. So, immediately, I'm pretty sure this is harder on PC. Like, I think they've made the things fly faster because you're expected to have faster response time on PC. Oh man, yeah, like those guys, I swear, are moving faster than the other ones too. I'm also wondering, like, is there a way I can... Yeah, that's the issue, is like, you almost want to punch the ones to save your ammo, but there's no way to... So they should have added a way to unequip your gun. Okay, I just paused and it just took me back to the main menu. Is that actually a fucking thing? Holy shit, did that actually just completely X'd out of the game? That's kind of weird. There's no, like, pause inside the game. It has to go through that little menu. I think MSSA on max in game to draw the small triangles on far. Yeah. See, like, right here, I would almost want to unequip my gun and, like, throw it at, like, put it down or something so that I can punch this guy and conserve my ammo for the guy that's going to show up with a gun that I'm going to need to shoot. But it's really stupid how, like, you can't do that because you can only throw your gun. See, like, right here, by the time these other guys are back... Alright, boom. That was way more difficult. Unauthorized access. They are the monolith. Enter to reply. What did you think? Interesting idea, not sure what I'm supposed to be doing though. I think I was in a factory, then an alley, and a subway. Everyone gets something different. It's crazy. That's one word for it. Question mark. Some bad glitches at the end. Unauthorized something something. Then I got kicked out. Man, I'm kind of getting bored of like this text chat stuff. I just want to skip forward and get back to the first person shooter stuff. They updated the crack to fix it. This file seems to crash less. Okay, let's go. Get over it. Oh, that was a moving car. So, this is also weird. Time is actually moving now, when before I thought it stayed still. Like, I'm fairly certain time, when you're standing still, moved way slower than that in VR. Like, you had way more time to think about this stuff. Alright, sure. Oof. Yeah, this is way harder than VR. I think they just made it way quicker, so you just have to respond. Get like everything perfect. It's almost like they expect you to know exactly where everything is right away the first time. Can I pick up? Oh god. Oh my god, why can't I pick this up? What? Oh my god, do you have to throw weapons to pick up a new one? You do. Yeah, so it almost seems like time is inconsistent. Like, I don't know if you see when I'm running here, but time is like starting and... See right there? Time is like starting and stopping, and it's not when I'm moving.
Super.
Oh, okay.
Super.
There we go. Whoa. What? What just happened? I almost got the hand of it now. So this level is like way easier than the level 2 levels ago. Which is really funny. Like, I think the scaling is kind of broken.
Super hot. Super hot. Super.
Wanna fight? Oof. We're just getting beat by a gang here. This is initiation right now. God damn it. Here we go, finally. No! Oh, man. Here we go.
Super hot. Super hot. Super hot. Super hot. Super.
Oh, shotgun. So this is one of those levels where we don't have guns. We got pool balls though. Oh man, that shotgun is fast. I wonder if I can throw this from here. Oof. So it doesn't stun them for very long. Oh my god. I gotta find out how to specifically do that. Like, the issue is, I know I can just get into cover. Problem is, as soon as I come out of cover to hit him, he just shot the pool ball. Or maybe the hitbox is actually just fucked. Yeah, see, like right here, if I go to grab that gun, I'm just gonna get shot. Yeah, like, I don't know what I'm expected to do here. This is one of those ones where I feel like it was way slower in VR, and they just increased it here and didn't try it and realize how broken this is. Here we go. Wait, what? What? That's so broken. Holy shit. Yeah, like he can just shoot these. Dude, the scaling of this is so messed up. Like how difficult this gets, how quickly. It should really give you a few more levels to get the feeling of the game. Because the levels really are small. Like we're only 20 minutes into the game now. Like the actual game, not the stuff in the console. Oh man. Huh. I wish there was a way to like, could I like grab these people and use them as a hostage? That would be cool. Or if there was a gun in one of these stalls, that would be the ideal thing. Oh! That guy comes in there if you wait long enough. Okay, that's what you do. That's stupid. I kind of thought this was the type of game where you, like, it's all about doing it quickly, but I guess not. Oh yeah, man. Physics is fucked. Look at this. Look at how I move faster sometimes, and other times I move slower. Look at this, moving side to side. I actually move slower sometimes, like the physics, like, okay, hold on, let me look at this. So in the settings, they said, so there's this thing that got me in the settings that really caught my attention. Gameplay, lock physics time step. Default is off. I don't know exactly what they're doing here, but I'm fairly certain they're literally, when the game lags, it runs at a lower physics rate. Like, I'm not exactly certain, but I think my character is actually moving slower when the game is lagging. Like, I don't know how to express that, but like the game obviously isn't lagging frame rate wise. But he's not moving at consistent speeds. He's moving faster and slower, which is kind of what happens when physics is tied to frame rate. Also, that just confirms it. There's no pause menu. That is some of the worst game design I've ever seen in a game like this. Not having a pause menu. Oh, that bothers the hell out of me. So when you go back to the menu, it just takes you back to the beginning of the level. So look at this. Moving. Just beat up this guy. Move at one speed one time and another speed another time. That bugs the hell out of me. See, now I thought this game was made in Unity. I might be wrong. When I saw a game in VR, I thought body crashed by triangle like real glass figure. Now I just see a static body and particles, body not changed. Yeah. They just, the body parts are separate like that. It just makes the body parts fall apart and then shoots particles out. Oh, perfect time to run out of ammo. Like, actually, holy shit. And the hitboxes suck. The hitboxes actually suck so bad, oh my god. Throwing your gun while it's pointed over the head and just having it explode because the wall actually extends. Oh god. I would say this is a really unintuitive game. There's a lot of games like this these days, I think. I feel like a lot of devs just expect players automatically know what the devs have known after their months of developing the game. Like, the devs just assume in a bunch of areas that, like, you know what I mean? Is like, after a dev of working and playing on a game for like a year, they forget what it's like to be a new player and not know what the mechanics are like. And I feel like at that point, it's almost like they don't know how to design a tutorial level or explain the mechanics intuitively because they can't even, like, empathize with what it's like anymore to not know their game.
Super
Fuck yeah.
hot. Super.
Break in? I just broke the gun. My player just hit the gun with his bat when I tried to pick up the gun. That is some of the dumbest game mechanic I've ever seen. Check game engine is Unity? Yeah. So that is weird. I wonder what they're doing, because I didn't actually think that Unity had an option to change physics off of fixed time step. I thought physics in Unity was always tied to fixed update. Maybe I'm wrong about that. Unless they're doing their own custom physics. Which, I mean, could actually be a thing considering the physics only moves when the time moves. Dude, okay, this is another thing that drives me absolutely nuts in this game. There's nothing that tells you how many bullets are in your magazine. Literally, you just keep firing until it shows that screen that says no bullets left. So you're basically just gambling each time you fire a shot. Or it assumes that you play the level beforehand and measure how many bullets are in each gun that each enemy has, because that does seem to be constant. Oh my god. Like, I think there's just some straight up horrible game mechanics in the PC version of this. I'm actually impressed how many changes they did between PC and VR versions. That's kind of disappointing. Godot do it very simple. It uses bullet physics. I mean, I think that's technically that's not Godot doing physics then, right? Because they're just kind of offloading it to another third-party API. So what's time slowdown? Like time step where you can control physics iteration and physics function each frame. Yeah, you can control physics iteration in Unity too. That's just the thing I think you can't do I think physics in Unity is tied to all the other fixed update rates. So you can't set timescale to 0 in Unity and stop physics without stopping like nearly a bunch of other stuff like fixed update. And that's one of the things you just get when the engine just handles everything for you. Or not everything, but handles a very large amount. The enemies are moving super annoying in this level. Magazine empty. Yeah, of course it is. Such a stupid mechanic. There we go. Godot has its own physics engine also that works the same as Bullet. Bullet obviously better for real usage. Well, I'm assuming it's not the same then if one is better. Because I think that's kind of contradictory to say one is better but they're also the same. Is there anything I can pick up here? Oof. It'd be cool if you could climb stuff in this. Or jump off walls. Oof. Okay, so did this guy have a gun? No, no he didn't. Okay. Oh, they come out the side. Damn, that is not fair. That is not... I feel like this level design is kind of stupid. It basically just puts you in these fucked, like... I don't know. First of all, I feel like they could have done some story here very easily by making these levels actually coherent with each other, but there's like no coherency. So... It's like enemy with unlimited bullets. No, he just has way more bullets because he is the only enemy in this level because they decided to just do a level that just has insanely overpowered enemy. Because that's what this game is about. It's just about stupidly overpowered situations that you just beat through time control. But the issue is in this PC version, they sped things up, and then they didn't actually test how it was balanced. And like, see how the enemies just fire at you before you even walk around corners? It's actually some of the most fucking broken shit I've ever seen. And like, yeah, the enemies have unlimited bullets, but when you pick up the gun, they have limited bullets. Like, how that is fair and even... Well, that's the thing. The only reason that is fair and even in VR is because the game moves in super slow motion. This moves way quicker than the VR version.
Super hot. Super hot.
Enemy with AI learning enabled. As far as I'm aware, there's only like... I think there's only like 30 levels, so... Unauthorized access? What if we jump off the edge? No? Okay. Another one of these stupid text chat thing. Look who's back, blah 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 blah. Can we skip this? Escape to leave chat. New file. Password protected? Wait, it just said password protected. What does that mean? Does that mean I'm gonna need to remember a password? Yeah, oh my god, it actually expects you to read the chat. Are you joking me? Why did they think that people who like FPS gameplay would also like sitting through a shitty DOS simulator? Like, that actually seems to be the most like stupidest thing I've ever seen a dev do. Okay, I guess you're just supposed to spam it. Like, I don't see the overlap between those two gaming audiences, but maybe I'm missing something. I feel like DOS gamers are like way more into like the classic RPGs and that type of crowd than FPS games. So this is another super uneven level. Holy shit. Like, oh my god, you're literally given no items or anything here? Oh my god. Am I missing something, or is this just like broken? Can I like pick up the glass or something, or... Oh my god. This is ridiculous. You have to like... The thing that just drives me crazy is like how fast it is, but at the same time how slow. Like reloading these guns takes forever, but then the enemies are just like blowing you away with the amount of bullets coming at you. And that's the thing, like the actual real-time part in VR was way slower, so the time you had to react in VR, the enemies fired way less bullets at you, which I just feel like is nowhere near the same here. Yeah, and then the enemies are just like so insanely good in that they basically fire bullets in a complete spread around where you could move. So at times you literally can't dodge the enemy's bullets. It's just impossible. Is that guy dead? I think he is. Okay. Like, that's the thing. It's the type of game where you really want to go fast. And it just, like, it's not at all about going fast. Determining breach. We can see you. Yeah, this is just more of the stupid DOS simulator stuff. Did you use Unity? Yep. I want to play stupid password. Something weird happened. I think I just saw myself in the game. It didn't look like my room, but somehow I knew it was like a dream. Oh, it just changed it. So I guess we're getting hacked, we're the hacker, and we're now getting hacked. I don't know. I feel like this is them trying to add a story after they've already designed these FPS levels. Unity has decals implementation built in engine is bad. I think decals are only a deferred thing, and most people use forward rendering. I think that's the thing. Keep walking. Oh my god, this is horrible. The flashing of the letters on the screen gets really exhausting after a little bit. It's like it's assaulting your eyes. 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. The devs made a lot of really bad design decisions in this game. Alright. See, I swear their bullets fire faster than mine. Otherwise, I don't know what happened there. you're out. Really? Would you mind? Oh, if only the game actually told you how much ammo you had, it would be so much better. Oh, are you not able to get back up there? Oh no. Oh dude, I hate the level design. The level design in this isn't trying to make good FPS levels, it's trying to make annoying levels. The dev's definition here of a hard level is just something that literally just like does everything to get like... Holy shit. Basically just do things unintuitive that you can't figure out until you've already played through the level once. I feel like that's really bad game design, is to design a level so that you have to keep playing through the level over and over and over again. Like, you know what I mean? Is like, stuff should be designed so that you can figure it out using what's in the level itself, not you doing it and going, oh, it's that way. That killed me. I have to go back and do everything again just because this one thing happened that way. Like, it creates this game loop where you end up repeating the exact same parts of the game over and over again. In my opinion, that's really bad. Make player remember their game by not making it easy. I don't know. Most people don't play this game much because it's like an hour-long game. Just play it and then put it down. I remember this game only because I saw it in VR and looked nice. Yeah, like as far as I'm aware, this game didn't really do well on PC. The only reason like it sold was VR. And like if you notice, the levels are insanely small. Like it seems like basically what I'm saying is I feel like they added these super annoying, difficult things that you can only figure out by doing it over and over again because they know their levels are super small and they need to fill out their game and extend it. That's personally what I feel like. I think those pipes got more triangles than the whole level. Yeah, and like as a dev, so I know people probably like this like black and white with red style because it's like the whole thing of thermal vision. But I just see all these untextured white levels and I just think, oh my god, the dev and artist are just so fucking lazy they couldn't be bothered to texture anything. Actually, I think there are textures. Everything has this same kind of paper texture. No! It just broke the gun! That's such a stupid mechanic. Why did the devs think it was a good idea to add a mechanic that you can destroy guns instead of picking them up? I don't think the bodies get destroyed themselves besides the parts. Like, you see what I mean? Is these parts, I don't think are actual parts that were originally in the body. I think that's like a separate mesh. It's not like it's actually breaking apart the same body mesh. It's just like placing parts that look exactly like the body. Is that guy behind me? It bugs me how the enemies can just basically like slide out of the way of your stuff. Like there's no way you can hit stuff sometimes, it's basically random. Unless you get really close. Oh my god, look at how bad the hitbox is. The bullet just hit an invisible corner there. Any gun? Oh god. Oh god. I don't know, maybe a pre-rendered destruction? Oh yeah, it's not, looks pre-rendered. Yeah, I'm not saying it's not pre-rendered. I'm just saying because the meshes are basically just simple shapes. Like you can see almost the legs here don't even look connected. Like I'm fairly certain it might not even be a skeletal mesh. Like the enemies might actually be individual parts right now. Oh my god, yeah. These levels are just really stupid, I feel like. I feel like they could have done so much more with this if they did bigger, more open levels and they weren't all these exact same things in the alley, just with a giant mob of enemies after you. This is... oh, did it just crash? That was weird. He's just allocating more memory. Never saw it coming. I feel like that's another reference. You don't even know how bad Unity games on Linux? So, do you think that's under DirectX Vulkan? I was gonna say, do you think that's because Mono versus .NET on Windows? And I just blew up that gun. Damn. I think Unity on Linux is still using, like, or at least back when I used Unity in like 2017, Unity on Linux wasn't using Vulkan, it was still using like OpenGL 3, I think. So I could totally see why they're going for Vulkan, but oh my god, the stupid wall hitbox is so bad. Shot at his foot, so I didn't shoot the gun. Out of ammo, but I can pick up that. Trying to figure out what a good place to be for this is.
Super
Oh, nice.
hot. Super hot.
Nice.
Hot. Super hot. Super hot. Super hot. Super.
Hold on one second. Oh, I guess we're going back to the menu anyways. Oh. Hold on. Works fine, but memory usage is just horrible. Risk of Rain 2 just released a few weeks ago, 2 to 3 times more than on Windows. VRAM usage also 2 times more. What? Why? I thought Vulkan was supposed to be so much better. Are you telling me people that haven't made GPU drivers for years are worse than people at NVIDIA and AMD who have been making GPU drivers for years? Oh, they accidentally shoot each other. Interesting. Vulkan has horrible memory allocation. NVIDIA drivers make it even worse. Yeah, I don't know what's... dude, like, you know what specifically is so bad about that? Like, textures or something? Or... like, I thought most of the stuff is generally still the same data structures and stuff that, like, holds memory. And shaders generally don't have too much memory either, right? Oh, shot me right as I went around the corner. Alright, I think what I want to do here is rush forward. Throw that. Pick that up. Shoot him. Shoot him. Okay, apparently my bullet just went through him. Now that level was way easier than like the past 4 levels. The balancing of this is all over the place. I almost feel like the levels in this that were difficult on VR, the difficulty doesn't carry over to PC. Most of the Unity games on Windows use less than 1 gigabyte. Unity and Linux, same game, and DirectX Vulkan is 1.5 gigabyte. After boot up is 2 gigabytes. Yeah, but like, do they have any idea why, or like, how they even sure it's like Unity or DXVK, or where that is even specifically coming from if they don't know where the memory is coming from? Okay, now this is a hard one. Yeah, how do you do this? I guess you punch the gun out of everyone's hands. Yeah, just really unintuitive stuff in this game. The restart is also bugging out. Like, when I do restart here, it, like, gets stuck sometimes. I wish there was a way you could, like, grab bullets. There we go. Oh my god, and of course there's people right here with shotguns. Oh my god, this is the most unbalanced shit I've ever seen in an FPS game. Oh, I can dodge, I can block bullets with guns. Holy shit. So if I throw a gun into a bullet, I can block the bullet with the gun. So if I take this, and I throw it at that... Oh, I missed. This is such an inconsistent game. Like, I do the same thing sometimes, and a different thing will happen. Yeah, and look at these bullets coming at me. There's no way I can dodge those. Oh. I'm very confused. The same thing has different results. I'm pretty determined that physics in this game isn't consistent each time you run the game. Like, I'm pretty sure my bullet just went through that guy. Oh, there we go. Alright. We should be getting close to the end. All of these unauthorized... Yeah, all of these are like... No reason, no plot, no reason, anything, just killing red guys. Yeah, that's exactly it. I don't know why the devs are adding all of these text parts. They're like trying to fill in a plot or something, or reason for all this killing. The game would have been better if they didn't do any of this DOS storyline stuff, like... We're watching. You're home. Yeah, we know that. This is the exact same thing we heard before. This is only your body. Your mind is here with us. Try to disconnect. Press escape to disconnect. What if we don't let you? We could keep you here forever. Okay, that's great. So where's the FPS combat? Let's have a little chat. This is not a game. Quit while you can. Escape. Leave chat. Don't panic. This is for your own good. Listen. I can't leave. Okay. Okay, I get it. I didn't know. I'm sorry. Wait, what? Clearly you are not. You are ruled by your pride. Promise you won't launch superhot.exe again. I will. Say the exact words. I won't launch superhot.exe again. Okay, Jesus Christ, this is such a stupid plot of the game. Like, come on. Launch Superhot. Let's go. The DOS menu was way cooler when they didn't try to add a plot to it. Oh, they're moving quicker this time. The game got quicker. Yeah, their bullets are moving quicker now. Yeah, it changed the speed of the bullets, so now aiming is different, because how you aim is dependent on how far enemies are and how fast the bullets move. This is... oh god, there's such stupid game design all throughout this game. I can totally see why this only hit off in VR. VR gamers are so desperate to buy any games that come out too, so like, to be fair, VR games are like... there's so many VR games that are just such blatant money grabs, and the VR community just laps that shit up. I think that's with like any dedicated community though, you get a giant amount of fanboys. What's crazy is how many people you see going to game devs like, or how many VR gamers cry to game devs like, why are you not making VR games? You're you're a bad company because you're not making VR games. VR gamers have money like Apple. This is good about VR. Well, like, yeah, that's... I mean, it's good if you're trying to get money off of them. It's not good if you're trying to get actual good quality games. they spawn everywhere around us there. It's weird how bullets only break glass. Like, glass somewhat stops bullets. Or, like, when I shot that guy through the glass, it didn't kill him. Like, the glass stopped the bullet enough. I guess it was very hard glass. That guy just shot each other. Oh, man, that was... This level is really difficult. This is a really long level. Or not really difficult, but it's like really long compared to the other levels, which makes me think it's supposed to be difficult. The encounters in this aren't like insanely bad compared to some of the other stuff in the game, though. Damn, your hitbox actually seems pretty big. Like, the player's hitbox seems larger than the enemy's heads, at least. At least my brain seemed to think that if my head was the same size as these guys, then I should have been able to dodge that bullet there, but maybe not. I wouldn't be surprised if they just made the player a shape of a capsule. I'm gonna be honest. Damn. Of course I'm out. It's like the game is designed for you to be out on that section. There we go. By the way, today's sundown, today saw how full body movement capturing using Wi-Fi signals. Actually, one single Wi-Fi router is enough to capture movement from one side. Looks epic. Interesting.
Super.
You didn't keep your word. No, really. Pay yourself a visit. So we're not playing a game, we're controlling a robot or something. At least I think. Or all of reality is a simulation. Should you are treating the system like a toy. It's not a toy, it is a tool. I can't control. I wish they let you like speed up these text dialogues at least so that you could like skip through it. It just takes so damn long for it to type out these little bits. Oh my god. Like, here we go. I'm not even typing these words. Oh my god, it types so slowly! Calm down. Imagine the game tells you to calm down when it's such a shit game like this. Yes, you do. Leave. You have suffered a head trauma. Seek medical attention. None of this happened. This is where your story ends. Chat ended. Launch Superhot again. We talked about this. You think talking with AI faster than typing? I mean, for a game like this? I mean, I don't know how that's comparable. It's like a game. It's not like it's actually talking with a real AI. So I'm guessing we're just supposed to... I don't know. Just keep doing this until it crashes or launches or quits the only thing to do. It actually just closed the game. If that was the last level, I'm gonna be really disappointed with that ending. Like, I'm honestly confused. Was that the level? I mean, that would line up with what I said. That was about an hour of gameplay exactly. Disk check failed, memory check failed. Oh, nice. New message, type what is happening to me. I can't stop. Super hot, super hot, super hot. Still playing that game. I have no control of my system or myself. You can't even hear me. I'm writing this basically to myself. I can't stop this thinking about the game. I'm alone in this. Cute. You don't share password. Now this, I'm so blocking you. I just want to get back in the game. God, this is such bad gameplay. Holy shit. This is some exhilarating gameplay right here. Smashing the enter key and the spacebar, like, oh man. This is what I want from an FPS game. Is it finally gonna get back to the actual FPS game? It would be great if it just presented the game to you just with like Portal, where it's just like a level select and you can just select what level you want to play and you don't need to go through any of this shitty menu or DOS commands. Like, this DOS menu was cool until you realize how goddamn crippling it is. Like... how the devs basically use the DOS menu as an excuse to make things take 10 times longer than normal. Oh, it just minimized the game.
Super hot. Super hot. Super hot. Super hot. Super hot. Super hot. Super
Mind is software, the system will set you free. Bodies are disposable, the system will set you free.
Super hot.
The system will set you free, the system will set you free. Yeah, this is honestly just some generic VR storyline then, where like your body and mind are separate and your brain can go in this simulation. There's so many damn VR games that go with this plot line, it's actually pathetic. Press E to hot switch into enemies. Choose a body. Wait, what? Hot switch not ready? And I was out of ammo. Why does... okay. That's super bugged. Yeah, man. This game is like... it's a really cool concept, and I just feel like it could have been executed so much better. Like, the janky physics, the broken hitboxes... Wait, what? So when you switch bodies, do you just like lose your gun or whatever you're holding?
Super hot.
Okay.
Hot. Super hot. Super hot. Super hot. Super.
Under construction. Another one of these levels where you just get... This feels really weird to me. This actually doesn't give me the same feeling of just like a nice fluid FPS game. I feel like most of this game's gimmick is VR. Oh, okay. Yeah, look at that. So when you switch bodies, it throws out the weapon. So you can't use switching bodies to get a weapon. That's so stupid. Like, seriously, the game just, I swear to God, it just adds mechanics just to make, like, just to annoy you. I'm blown away. They add a super cool mechanic like mind controlling, and then it's like, oh no, but when you mind control someone, he throws his gun away. Like, it doesn't even make fucking sense. Looks like Dev made $1 mil of money out of this game. If they at least get $1 per copy sold. Okay, I totally dodged that bullet. That was definitely a dodge. That was like right beside my head. Yeah, so look at that. He throws the gun when you switch characters. That is so dumb. I wonder if that's a bug on PC. Like, I'm actually wondering if it just binded the throw gun to the same button as switch characters. So, like, when you switch characters, it just throws gun, because it's the same. Okay, my cat just meowed at me. Hold on. It would be great if this game gave you a pause menu. Like, that is so stupid to me that if I just have to run away to the game like that, it's like, nope, you're just restarting the level, get fucked. Alright. Hold on, I'm actually just gonna search. Search something up. Oh, oops. No, why do you throw the weapon? So stupid. Oh god.
Super hot.
There we go. Why are all these businessmen trying to getting assassinated? Or fired? This must be some serious business. Oh my god. God damn it. I'm doing this one without hot switching too. Because it seems to me like hot switching just sucks. Oh! Oh, you can pick the gun back up if they aren't staring at something. It's not all shitty. Still though, really stupid mechanics for a game like this. I wish it had more linear levels almost, where it like didn't keep spawning enemies in the same spot behind you. Like this, like it almost makes you have to stand still and just kind of move back and forth slowly like this, seeing where things come from. I really don't like that. I wish it was like linear like a regular FPS, so you could just go down a hallway or something. Huh. What did I do here before? Why am I getting killed here when I wasn't getting killed before? The game is straight up inconsistent. Holy shit. Like, actually, different things happen each time you do it. That's so annoying. And, like, he just chucks his gun there! Oh my god, what the fuck? Like, actually, what were the devs thinking when they made mechanics like this, where, like, you mind control someone and they just throw their gun away? Like, how does that make sense? Fucking hitboxes! It just hit an invisible wall! Look at that! What did it hit? What did that briefcase hit? There's no wall there. Oh my god. And like right there, it didn't even look like that bullet was going at us. Like it was going beside us. He just shot me before I could even do anything. I wasn't even moving there, so time shouldn't have been moving. Huh. This is weird. It's almost like the level is tougher than when I started it. Like, I was able to dodge way more of these. What? Where did I just get... Where did that guy come from? So, I swear to God, when I started doing this level, when I walked around this corner, I wasn't getting instantly one-shot here. So I don't know what changed. Like, yeah, sometimes that works, and sometimes I get instantly one-shot. Oh, yeah, so also the levels have no verticality. Like, honestly, you can't jump up anywhere like this or you just get one shot. Oh my god, such a stupid mechanic. Every time I hot switch, I just get pissed off because I just see them throw their gun away. And just get reminded how dumb a mechanic it is. Wait, I just started in a different spot. Hold on, I was just able to move before the level started. So, I'm trying to hot switch, and it says choose a body when I'm aiming straight at this guy. Yeah, like that. Couldn't even dodge that. I moved directly to the left as soon as he shot, and it still counted as a hit. And like right there, I went to go punch that guy. I think some of these levels are actually near impossible on PC. Like the dev just straight up didn't test this stuff on PC. They were just like, oh, it sold really well on VR. Let's just take it and put it on PC. What did that just hit? It just hit a completely invisible hitbox. Holy shit, that's so broken. Oh my god. Yeah, so I think this is it. I think I'm gonna quit on this level. Because the game has now gotten to a point where it's just like... it's kind of stupid. Yeah, like... it's at the point where the levels don't have a flow anymore. Like right there, it said choose body while I was aiming at him. So like, there's times like that where I'm trying to quickly aim at someone, and it just straight up doesn't work. Like, it's so unbalanced, man. Alright, and there's like no plot or storyline here that's like not... the secret of this, the secret, I've actually already seen, I'm going to spoil it here. The secret has been like hinted at you through this whole thing. The whole reality of this is VR. The story, the secret, is that this whole world is VR and like a simulation in the game. This OmniPi OS, Omni is everything. It's basically like the whole thing is that this operating system is also the world. That's the secret. In my opinion, it's such a generic plot for VR and things to have this whole thing of, oh, reality's a simulation, you're a computer or something, and it's like, it's basically one of the same repeated plot lines in so many different VR games. So I'm not really motivated to finish it. Anyways, that was super hot. If you like sitting through a DOS console terminal simulator like this game's for you. It's a 2-hour short experience. The FPS gameplay isn't amazing in my opinion, so I wouldn't really play it for that. There's not really any plot or storyline. If you have VR, you've probably already played this game because there aren't really many games for VR to choose from. You probably picked this up. Alright, that's super hot. Well, thank you for watching. It's always funny to me watching the doves walk and go like that. That'll be it for the stream this morning. If you enjoy this nature camera here, this will be going on right after I finish the stream. If you're interested in programming, I'll probably be doing some WebGL and JavaScript programming later tonight. It's not really EU-friendly times though, so sorry about that. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. I hope you have a good day, good evening, wherever you are.